repeating. Ariana. Balut. Oh. That's very nice. You put salt.
Maganda pagkakadinig mo, Balot. Ako, Barok.
You're here in the Philippines for visit?
I was here for the Miss Earth contest and I got Miss PTA Ecotourism and I want to stay. I love the Philippines.
You want to live here?
I need to learn.
Then you say, mahal kita.
Mahal kita!
Okay. Thank you, Miss Balut.
I'll see you later.
You enjoy your stay here in the Philippines. Miss Cuba.
Kiss.
Okay. This is Miss Milagros, Miss Cubao. Baliches.